So,
Should I wave?
you should wave and tell me how busy it's been here.
Steady. Real steady.
Steady.
But our saving grace is that Jack is here training Grandpa John.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good thing.
That is a very good thing.
He probably needs some training. Oh, he's got it going on. Right.
It's not raining, is it?
Nope.
That's good.
Don't keep you on your feet while you might go to sleep.
Just about. You ready?
I'm ready.
And he's still got it packed because he's going to Grand Canyon tomorrow.
Who is?
Grandpa? Yep.
Are you going down scuba or?
You're rather young.
Yeah.
That's so nice that you joined the flight.
Well, anything I can do to help, really.
Good.
You're on me.
A couple pancakes, please. No coffee. Pancakes. Two pancakes. Thank you.
These are starting to thaw out.